Today, we're showing you how we redid this kitchen for under 150 bucks. Alright guys, we're over at our friend Jason's house today. We are going to be redoing this kitchen on a budget. So, we got some cabinet doors we need to take off, some drawers we need to take out, a lot of hardware we need to change, lots of sanding. Let's get to it. There's some, nicks and stuff like that. We're gonna fill these with just some putty. So one thing we're doing is we're changing the hardware on these doors. Despite our measurements, the holes don't exactly line up. So we're gonna take some of this putty, we're gonna fill in one of the holes on all the doors. And then we'll come back and re-drill them to the right thing later. While Jason and I are standing inside, Jess is going to start working on the doors and drawers. Okay, everything's sanded. Fancy setup, Jess. So this is the final color, guys. It's called Graceful Gray. Where'd we get it from? Home Depot? From Home Depot, I think it's Bear? Yeah. So it's really nice and subtle. It's working out real good. Jason's touching this up. I'm about ready to start on all of this. We've been primering and sanding and everything, and priming these doors is taking forever. We want to see if maybe we can skip that coat or skip that step with just the paint. So here we go.
Hey, nice legs, Jason.
Is that a leg or you have to do? So we have moved a lot of the painting operation outside for the cabinet doors and drawers and all that. And I'm thinking that this might just be that it's sucking into the paint or sucking into the wood. I notice it's starting to crack some places. I don't know if that's because of it's soaking into the wood or if it's drying too fast outside or what, but we're going to continue to let these dry. They're almost done. Do not try this at home. Just in case you were wondering, we needed to cut a piece of wood and we didn't have a saw. Jason's the welder, so he's got a grinding wheel. Not ideal, but it works. So let me explain what we're doing. This drawer needs to fit in this hole, but we don't have a slider for it. So we cut down this piece of wood to be a center piece to put under this drawer to fit in this hole. That's what we're doing. Template for our holes for the handles. Start drawing those holes. While I'm doing that, Jason's going to be screwing on the hardware. Day 2, putting on hinges and handles. This time we have a template, so hopefully it'll go better. All the handles are on, all the doors and all the drawers. We have to move on to hinges now. It worked, guys. First door's up. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, I think I'm gonna cry. Oh, we got a lot more to do. Alright guys, that's how we did it. All the cabinets are done, all the hardware's been changed. We've redid this entire kitchen for less than 150 bucks. It's a lot brighter in here, a lot nicer in here. You should be seeing a before and after right about now. If you want to see more stuff like this, there'll be a playlist or something up here. YouTube will recommend something for you down there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.